Want to move your crypto from Revolut to an external wallet in 2025? Here's your quick and easy step-by-step guide to doing it safely. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Log into the Revolut app and tap the crypto section from the main screen. Step 2. Choose the cryptocurrency. Select the crypto you want to transfer, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported coin. Step 3. Tap Send or Transfer. Now tap the Send or Transfer button. Then choose External Wallet as your transfer destination. Step 4. Add your external wallet address. If it's your first time, tap Add Wallet Address. Carefully paste your wallet address and double-check that it matches the correct network. Warning: sending to the wrong address or incompatible network could result in losing your funds permanently. Always verify. Step 5. Confirm and send. Enter the amount you want to send, review the transaction, and confirm with your passcode or biometrics. Transfers usually take a few minutes, depending on network speed. You can check the status under Transactions. And that's it. Your crypto is on the move from Revolut to your wallet. Don't forget to like and follow for more useful guides like this.